Guten Tag, ciao, hello, bonjour. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. I hope you had a blessed week this week. I don't know if you've caught on yet, but when you see this hat, yes, with the paint there, this jumper, yep, you know what day it is today. Oh, you've read the title as well and just saw the thumbnail. You know what we're doing today. But I just bought myself the 1M rear bumper. Yes, the rear one now for my BMW 1 Series. Oh, it's got delivered today, and so I thought, let's just paint it today. Let's paint it today. Today's Saturday. Let's paint it today so that Sunday, tomorrow, benefit on. But the thing is, I know you guys already seen me doing the whole setup of the paint booth, setting up of the paint, everything like that. So I thought to myself, today I'm going to do everything before I get the camera out so that it's quick, simple, and we just get straight to the show. To my left, but it's probably your right. Yeah, my left, your right. Boom. Oh, that's right. The ghetto paint booth is there. If you look to my right, which is now your left, oh, the setup of the paint is there. And if you take a look behind you, well, technically not behind you, but behind the camera, it is a good day today. So let me just quickly set you guys up. Let me get the bumper from there, bring it to the paint booth here, open it up, and then we can start. Yeah, we can start with the show already. Oh, I love these kind of episodes when it just gets boom straight to the show. I love that. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste your time. I think we should just let's just get the show on the road, yeah? I'm in love with this bumper. So in love with this bumper. And the fact that boom, 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 boom. The fact that it came with the parking sensor holes already pre-done, that's a blessing because I bought this bad boy out. And these are obviously the masonry ones. Oh yeah, obviously it came with the diffuser. And lucky for me, it's come pre-painted already. Yeah, so that's a blessing. That is a blessing. Yeah, so I'd actually picked this bumper up from the same seller as the front bumper, and it was the same situation as the last one. So I'd put it in my watch list, and a few days later on, I got an email from the seller saying, we're offering a a percentage discount. So I thought to myself, hey, if it's a discount right now, why not get it? It turned out to being like £240 or £230. In itself is a bargain for the bumper. The diffuser's already come painted, and the holes for the parking sensors are already there. That's a no-brainer. That's literally a no-brainer. So we've hit a little snag on this one. Unlike the front bumper, this rear bumper hasn't come primed. We didn't know it. As soon as I took it out, I knew it. I literally knew it. Yeah, it's just straight plastic. Literally straight plastic. The reason why that's actually a little snag, a little setback in our plan, is because the primer isn't there. I know exactly where it is. It's literally right there. I'll quickly open it up, get the primer out, reseal my ghetto paint booth, come through with the wet dry sandpaper, probably 3000 grit, quickly go over this, spray it with the primer, let that dry, come back through, so lay down the actual paint, and then lay down the clear coat. This has put an additional hour and a bit, but you know what? I know that's gonna be worth it at the end of the day. I know it's gonna be worth it. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. 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 That's right. Yeah. Oh, this is not going according to plan. It is for 95% of the job, but I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'll come back down with the sandpaper, just go over this section, go over again with the spray gun, because right now it's working perfectly fine. You can see over here, it's looking perfect. It is looking absolutely perfect, but just this section here goes splattering. Oh, it's a bummer. That's a bummer right there. This one is not going according to plan, but for 95% of it is. That remaining 5% is not. Plus also, I also realised I've not been wearing the mask. Oh, this is not going according to plan, but it will. It will. We've got to stay positive, because it will.
Show me how to do love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Show me how to do love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Show me how to do love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at it. Just look at that. Listen, if I say I am proud, I'll be like a broken record. But I'm proud. I'm so proud of that. Look at that. Oh, it's 6 minutes to 8 and we are done with the painting. Oh, look at that. Obviously there's some blemishes, but like, at the end of the day, I'm doing in my garden. It's been raining, but there's also some blemishes. I don't know if you can see there. There's a little bit one right there, here. But really and truly, I actually don't care. 99% of the bumper looks so good. Within that 1%, it just adds character. It just adds character to my car. And the thing is, my car has already got little blemishes everywhere, so it suits it. It actually suits it. It's a car to be driven, not to be. It's not a show car. It's literally not a show car. I'm probably gonna scratch it here and there. But I don't care. I'll just scuff it back up, redo the paint, and go back again. Oh wow, I'm so happy with that. Oh, do I have paint on me? Oh, I do. Oh, I do. Oh, it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. While that's drying, I'm gonna set up the clear coat. Probably lay down 3 coats like last time. Make sure it's nice and protected. Nice and protected. Whew.
don't need it logic, need it logic, 'cause it's in. Oh no, I don't need it logic, need it logic, 'cause it's in. Oh no, I don't.
Oh my god, like totally. Oh shit. Oh, look at that. This is beautiful. It's bellissimo. Oh, if this is what it's like to see your firstborn child, I want this happiness every day of my life. I am actually proud of that. I am actually so goddamn proud of that. Oh, I'm a dead man. Oh, I'm very dead. My mom's gonna kill me. We will cross that bridge later on. Don't get me wrong, got paint runs. I don't know if you can see it around here, but that's fine. I wanted to finish it off today so that tomorrow I can literally just fit on. Like, I want to fit this on tomorrow after about 15-16 hours of laying it dry. So that's why I wanted to get it all done today, and that's what we did. We got it all done today, and I'm so proud of that. Oh, listen, if you like this, ooh, drop down a little like. Bing. Plan for tomorrow is I'm gonna take off the bumper without you guys, because you don't need to see me take off the bumper. There's multiple videos on YouTube, so I'm gonna do that without you guys. I know you guys just want to see the end result, so I might do that on my own. And then tomorrow is just wake up, fit it on. Also, I need to check my PDC. It's been in rice for I don't know how many days, like 4 or 5 days, 6 days. I don't know. I need to check that. I need to check that now, so I know if I need to order a new one. The joys of BMW broke my wallet. But I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. That is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, listen, I'm proud of that color match. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. To say my car's been transformed is an understatement. Oh, and you can see the lights, the front lights are on as well. Look, boom. Okay, don't watch the number plate while it's up there. I've actually ordered another number plate. I'm just waiting for them to get delivered. That's why current doesn't have a number plate right there. But god damn, I need to change the lights. I need to change them to the facelift lights. Yeah, the facelift ones. I don't know, should I delete the 120? Nah, I like it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, let's sit inside. Let's get inside. Yeah, let's get inside. Oh, we've got a little guest as well. Oh, what you say, my baby? You excited as well, huh? Oh my god. Come in the shot. The way that rear bumper has turned out, the one end rear bumper has turned out, it is superseding my expectation. It's come out really beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I can't get enough of it. I genuinely can't. Like right now, I can't get enough of my car. It's upgraded. So within the last few weeks, we've done the front bumper, we've done the rear bumper. We've also done the headlights, which have come out beautiful. To say it's transformed is an understatement. It is an absolute understatement, isn't it, Gil? But yeah, I'm more than proud. Boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, if you've enjoyed the episode, what's up? Hit a thumbs up. Hit a thumbs up. If you dislike the episode, hit a thumbs down. Let me know in the comments why. We like positive criticism here. Ain't that right, Gil? Ain't that right, Gil? Say yes, Gil. Yes, we do. Why you been camera shy? Come back next week, next Thursday. You're gonna find us back here. Me and little lady Luna. You'll find us back here next Thursday. We're doing another mod. We're doing another modification. I've been your boy. I've been your host. I've been your goddamn mechanic, your paint guy. I'm your host, KB. And listen, everybody, enjoy your week. Enjoy your month. I'm out. Peace. Oh, Luna, say bye, Gil. Bye, boy.